These days, pretty much everybody is using Gmail, and that includes businesses and individuals. Some of us run out of storage space on Gmail, and so we may want to back up all the emails before deleting them to make space for new emails. So how can you back up your Gmail? Hey everyone, I'm Jake from SysCloud, and today I'm going to explain to you a simple way to back up emails just by forwarding them. Here's how you do it. Log into your Gmail and go to Settings. You'll find an option called Forwarding and pop/IMAP. Click on Add a Forwarding Address tab and enter your destination email ID. A pop-up will appear for confirmation, and upon clicking the Proceed button, a confirmation code will be sent to your destination mail. Copy the code from your destination email. Go back to the settings of your primary email. You'll see an option in the forwarding menu asking you to enter the confirmation code. Enter the confirmation code and click on Verify. Select the Forward a copy of incoming mail option. You can add multiple emails for forwarding and customize your options. And that's not all. You can even use the filter options to forward emails from specific contacts or emails containing a specific keyword. Forwarding is just one of the many ways you can back up Gmail. We'll cover the other approaches in our upcoming videos. If you can't wait, read our in-depth article to learn how you can back up Gmail. The link to our article is in the description right below. Do you have issues in backing up your Gmail for your individual account or for your organization? Share them in the comments below. Remember to click on the subscribe button to get more videos like this in the future. And as always, thank you for watching.